As I'm sure you're aware, it's about to be December, and that means that it's nearing the Christmas and holiday season. And that means there's going to be a lot of Christmas and holiday themed events happening, like movie marathons and sales events and concerts and things like that. And the hacker and security world are no different. There are all kinds of Christmas and holiday themed challenges and different events where you can win prizes and stuff like that. So I wanted to cover a couple of them on this channel. And the first one that I wanted to cover is the TryHackMe Advent of Cyber. This is an event that TryHackMe has been running every year for a few years now. I want to say it started around 2018 or 2019, something like that. And it's completely free to participate. You don't need a subscription to TryHackMe or anything like that. And there is going to be one new challenge every day starting on December 1st. If you want to know what kind of topics are going to be covered in the challenges, you can take a look at this timeline that they have on their main page, which I'll post in the description below. And you can just go through and look and see on day 1, there's going to be a machine learning red challenge. Then day 2, there's log analysis. Day 3, brute forcing. And you can just go through day by day. And maybe if you're not interested in doing every challenge, you can just keep track of what days you do want to pay attention to, and then go back and do that specific challenge whenever it comes up. And if you're not experienced, if you are a very base level beginner and want to learn more about this kind of stuff, but you're a little intimidated by some challenges that are out there, these kind of challenges are kind of perfect for you because they kind of hold your hand through it and kind of guide you to the right answer as you go, but you do still have to do the work to get the answer, even if it is kind of presented in a very hand-holdy fashion. For that reason, this type of challenge might not be great if you're an experienced pen tester, you have lots of bug bounties under your belt, someone who's been doing this kind of stuff for a long time. You're probably not going to get that much of a challenge out of this, but this is kind of ideal for someone who's a beginner that just wants to kind of get their feet wet and learn about different things that they haven't done before. Also, even if you are an experienced person and you don't really need this beginner level hand-holdy practice, there's still a pretty good reason to do it, and that's because there are $50,000 worth of prizes that are available, and every challenge that you solve, you get entered for a chance to win these prizes. And you don't have to do the challenges every single day when they released in order to get entered to win the prizes. You can show up on the very last day of the event and do all of the challenges in a row in that one day, and you'll still get entered for all those same amount of chances to win these prizes that you would if you did them day by day. And if you just kind of scroll through the prizes here, there's some pretty good stuff. There's Steam Decks, there's Razer mouse bundles. If you're a gamer, those things would be great. There are AirPods, there's a gaming chair, there's a standing desk, there's a PC tower. There's a VR headset, there's the ultra-wide curved monitor, there's noise-canceling headphones, and they also have vouchers for different trainings like the CompTIA Security Plus exam voucher, there's AWS training voucher, there's TryHackMe vouchers for 3 months of premium, 6 months, 1 month. There's a swag voucher for the TryHackMe swag store. There's some pretty good prizes here. To get started, all you have to do is join the room by clicking this button, and that will take you to this page right here. And the first task doesn't go live until December 1st, which this will most likely be posting on November 30th, so it will be the following day. But right now, there are already some little introduction tasks you can do. These are mostly just kind of introducing you to how the event works and what you can do to be entered in the prize drawings. And they also give you some rules and tutorials if you haven't used TryHackMe much before. It kind of shows you how TryHackMe works. And they also give you a little introduction to the story behind the event, because like all these events, there's got to have some little narrative saying why you're doing all this stuff. Also, I did mention earlier that you don't have to do all the challenges day by day to be entered in the prizes at the end of the event, but there are daily prizes available. So if you do end up deciding to come back every day and solve the challenge before the following day is posted, you will be entered in a drawing for a daily prize that is your choice of either 1 month of a TryHackMe subscription or a $15 swag voucher for the TryHackMe swag store. And the challenges go live every day at 4 p.m. GMT. So if you really want to min-max your best odds of being able to win as many prizes as possible, you would just figure out what time 4 p.m. GMT is in your time zone and make sure you come back every day before that time and solve that challenge before the following challenge is updated. Also, like I said, you do not need to subscribe to TryHackMe to participate in this. All of the different challenges are available for free, but right now they do have a discount code that allows you to get 20% off an annual subscription if you do want to subscribe, because there are a lot of other resources in TryHackMe that are only available for subscribers. So if you're interested in getting a TryHackMe subscription, then you can use that discount code and get 20% off. Also, I do have a referral link in the description below, so if you are planning on getting a subscription, you can use that referral link and you'll get a $5 credit after you subscribe. But again, that's all your choice. You don't have to subscribe to anything. You can do it all for free and get to do all the challenges in the Advent of Cyber. So all of that is to say that the Advent of Cyber starts on December 1st, and it will have a new challenge every day up until December 24th, Christmas Eve. And in order to be entered into the raffle for all the challenges that you complete, you need to finish all the challenges that you're going to do by December 27th, and then the winners will be announced on December 28th. I believe the challenges will still be up after that, so you can go back and do them later if you want to. You just wouldn't be entered for the raffle at that time if you did. Also, if people are interested, I'm considering going back and doing a walkthrough video solving all the challenges in the whole event after it's over. So if that's something you'd be interested in seeing, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely take that into consideration. And just one more reminder before I finish this video, this challenge is going to be very much beginner focused and very hand-holdy. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. But if you're more experienced and looking for more of a challenge, I might have a different event that is kind of similar to this, but a little bit more challenging that you might be interested in coming up pretty soon.